this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and we are at our very last of our Halloween manicures for 2021. I am doing some little bears from BRC Nails Tips xpieces.com. We're doing these cute, ugly little bears here. These are for Halloween. They are kind of, I don't know. What do you think? They're kind of funky looking, but we're going to do those on the black nails. We've got some bows, 2 different styles. We got a couple sets of bling here, a couple different kinds. My pink and black, my black is by McCart. Love this polish. I've not had a problem with it wrinkling, so there's a blessing right there. My pink is from Springlicious, Diva in a Bottle by Princess Nails by Diana. My top coat I will be using is by Beauty. This is the American brand of Umic, which is a UK brand. This is a sister company. Check them out on Amazon. Very, very reasonably priced. They have quite a few 21-piece collections out there, so check that out. They're very, very reasonably priced. Sorry about moving of the mat. We're going to top coat. We are going to decorate these puppies for our last and final Halloween manicure of 2021. I almost said 2022. That would have been funny. What a mishap. What a mishap that would have been. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. I greatly appreciate your presence here. If you are new, this is your first time here at my channel, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you came through. Say hello and we can, I don't know, maybe chit chat a little bit, see what's going on in your neck of the woods. See what kind of nail art you're into. If you have any suggestions, please, you can leave them in my community tab. You can leave them down below in the comments. You can contact me on Instagram, just.nailedit. I think that would be kind of cool. So let's first go in with the black nail. Get me one of these, whoops. One of these ugly little bears here. I just want to slide around on the nail. Oh, this is going to be a task. Trying to get these puppies in the lamp without sliding. I'm going to hold my hand in there for a flash cure. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Because my bear wants to move. Whoops. Yeah, they want to move base up. They want to slip and slide all over the nail. I'm going to move this bear further down the nail than the other one because I think it'll look better. So, whoopsie. We have got our black bling here and our AB crystals over there. Pour a few of these out. See if I can get them right side up. Decorate our nail. Now we need some of these right side up. Just a couple. Just a couple. There we go. I can do the same over here. I'm going to try to do these every other will be our black. Sorry if I'm so quiet, I'm concentrating a little bit here. Trying to separate or space out our bling properly. Let me fix these over here. Alright, alright, alright. We are in business. We need 3 blacks over here. Couple of bling over here. Whoops. Okay, so that off the nail, I think. I hope we are all in frame doing this. I wasn't looking. When you're doing your nail or even paint your nails, I don't care if you're doing acrylics, make sure you brace your hands. Oh man. I just got my bows. The bling, it's probably off of AliExpress. I'm not sure. But I'm going to pop those in the lamp, give them a full cure. Which means 60 seconds on the clock. Again, the bears are from BRC Nails, tipsxpieces.com. Go check her out. She may have some Halloween stragglers left. I'm not sure. She is going to be releasing her Christmas line here very, very soon. I am an ambassador, as well as Catherine Ford for BRC Nails. You can use Catherine's code, or you may use mine. Catherine's is KF10, all caps. Mine is Sheree Baby 10, SHEREE BABY 10. Make sure you capitalize that S. I will put both codes across the bottom of the screen. That way you don't forget. And as always, all codes, all codes, links are down in the description box, and please always check that out. I've got multiple companies listed. So help yourself. Save yourself some coins. Here we go. I think he's turned over some ugly little bears. Like this one here looks like kind of got a black eye. I don't know. What do you think? 'Cause these are some freaky looking little bears. But I think this turned out well. I don't know how well you can see down there versus over here. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Check out my Halloween playlist if you're free tonight. You got some time on your hands while you're passing out candy. And as always, thank you. Have yourselves a blessed day.